A heteronym is a word that has different pronunciation and meaning from another word but the same spelling. ഒരേ സ്പെല്ലിംഗ് ആയിരിക്കും but pronunciation and meaning different ആയിരിക്കും. These types of words are called heteronyms. Well, this is Soumya Biju from Access Language School and I'm here to help you to sort out some heteronyms and its actual pronunciation and meaning. Let's take a look at some words in which pronunciation takes a complete U-turn when its form changes from noun to verb. Starting with the word record. It's record as a noun, record as a verb. To give an example for noun form, I would say, she holds the world record for 100 meters. As a verb, I can say, you should record all your expenses during your trip. Another example that I can say is project. It's project as a noun and it's project as a verb. Now we will see the usage in sentences. As a noun, it can be used in the following sentences. Besides film and record projects, I have continued to work in the theatre. As a verb, the usage can be, this sector is projected to double in size over the next 12 months. Thank you so much. I hope this video has turned out to be an interesting one for you all. Thank you for the support and see you in another video. Bye.